two definitions of XDR. As Omdia defines it, there's comprehensive XDR and open XDR. Let's start with comprehensive. These XDR offerings are single vendor platforms or solution sets, or even services, with integrated threat detection, investigation, and remediation response capabilities. So two critical points there. First, the overall XDR solution is going to consist of multiple products, but those products are all made by the same vendor and hence designed to work together more easily and with higher efficacy than a group of third parties. And second, the remediation response. Many vendors will use the word response when they really mean investigate. But comprehensive XDR solutions are designed to be closed loop for the detection, the alerting, the investigation, and the actions that analysts initiate to actually stop the threat and remediate a system. The three critical data sources that Omdia believes a comprehensive XDR solution must have are from the endpoint, from the network, and from the cloud. Now that usually means TDIR on the endpoint, NTA or NDR on the network, though sometimes it's firewalls with network sensors or some other combination. And in the cloud, it's usually cloud workload protection, but again, there are alternatives there too, like CASB or cloud security posture. And I do want to take a moment to note that, again, my colleague Rick Turner, the father of XDR, is a very strong believer that email should ultimately be the fourth requirement when possible, simply because such a large percentage of threats enter the enterprise via email. Now, the other type of XDR is open XDR. This is a TDIR that relies on a combination of its own and third-party data to detect threats, conduct investigations, and initiate response action. So here, when I say response, the XDR solution could actually conduct the response itself, as in comprehensive, or it could provide response enablement, basically sending a request for a response via an integrated third-party solution. And Open XDR can cover any number of IT estate regions and gather data from any number of sources. Last point here on open is that a solution can be both open and comprehensive. If an XDR offering has closed-loop capabilities with its own endpoint network components and integrates with third-party solutions, that's potentially the best of both worlds.